All right, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your countdown timer on your wedding invitation. So what you do is you double click on the time, you go edit, it'll bring up the timer here on the side of the panel, and all you have to do is click on this little calendar and pick your wedding date. So right now it's set for October 16th. If you are doing a Christmas wedding, you click on that. You can change it to whatever time zone you are in. I'm around America, Toronto, so I left with that, but there is a whole bunch of other ones, so you just pick the one that suits your time zone. You can play around with this if you want. I don't recommend it unless you're changing your colors in your font and your color scheme. Then you would have to change these two buttons as well. I would leave days, hours, and minutes because that's what it's showing as your countdown. English, or again, can change in a different language. There is different ones. You can change your font style. Then size and layout 15, that's just the size of this. I think that's reasonable for this invitation, so I would not touch that. And then when you're done, you would hit update countdown. So right now it is showing that. Let's go back to our date and time. So we moved it to that. You go update, and now it has changed. So it did move it up a little. All you have to do is use this little four-way plus sign, hold, drag it down, and just line it back up to where it was. And now it'll count down to your actual wedding date. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks and how to edit your wedding invitation.